Today I'm going to be wet sanding the headlights on the TL. I'll put the link in the description, but yeah, picked this up from Amazon and then ordered this a long time ago, this clear 2K stuff. This was probably like 20 bucks. This is honestly probably like 10 or 15. So relatively cheap fix. If it works, we'll see. Time to upset the whole neighborhood. I gotta move every car around. Now that I can talk to you guys, that thing is really loud. You can't even talk when you're beside it. It's actually insane. I just cracked like 10% of the paint off my fender pulling this thing in, but whatever. In search of MVP front fenders. I wish I got a video of this thing when it was outside so you can see how yellow these are, but they're pretty yellow. You can see mostly on angles. You can't tell on this thing. But they're yellow and they're kind of hazy. All this cracked off, this cracked off. I just Sharpied it. This is going next. Oh man. Well, I found the piece I heard snap off. I guess this went here. Got a bunch of sandpaper here. And then I can spray them with this clear 2K stuff. I've heard good things. Hopefully they'll look brand new. Because this thing is getting a little dusty. Can't lie. Got this all taped up. Just got the headlights sticking out. I don't think the overspray is going to be that crazy, but you know, I'm not spraying the T's or the intercooler or anything like that. Not risking it. Gonna go 320, 400, 600, 800. Yeah, so I don't know. I'll just try it out. I don't know why my notes say that, but that's what I'm gonna do. Probably watch the video or something.
Oh, no, not like that, not like that.
I've done it. I've really done it. Oh man.
Yeah, see, mine are next for it.
Gets worse before it gets better, right? That's what they say. Doesn't that make sense?
It ain't getting better, I'll tell you that.
Well, I can't wait to go back to horizontal. Holy crap, this sucks.
Why don't we go dry 1200 and then we'll go wet 15 if you have 2000.
Wet 15, wet 2000?
Yeah,
Makes sense.
you're doing this. Give her a dunk. Get right back to it.
No way. Oh, buddy. You can beetle off of it.
Part of it.
Just walking past all these cars, but there's a tandem scooter instead. Am I my brother's keeper?
Why is it leaning?
Oh, goofy ass fucking scooter.
Oh, I got it before, and it's been bad news. They'll etch and almost melt the plastic.
This guy's so fucking.
Whoa! It's already starting to look really clear. Let's see.
Dude, this clear coat hitting the bumper is actually beautiful. Needs it. That's not bad, eh?
Wow, that's good.
Wow. Probably what, like wait a day and then wet sand it again?
Yeah.
It's been about a day since we did the headlights, so I'm gonna hit it with 2000 wet and then I'll just use polish. Got the headlights masked off. Been letting this 2000 grit soak for a little bit, so gonna go to town on it, see what it looks like. Got done doing a few rounds of wet sanding on this, so you can see there's like a kind of hazy layer, but if you put water on it, it goes clear. So what I'm trying to do is just get the surface really even. But you can see right here, there's kind of those like, there you go. You can kind of see those like little bubbles up here. That's the orange peel that I'm trying to eliminate. I'm trying to bring it down. So when you're doing this, just pay attention to right by the fenders and everything, because I feel like you just naturally have a tendency to not go near here because you don't want to hit the paint. It's wet sanding. Like if you hit the paint, just polish it. I'll probably hit it with the polisher too. So it doesn't really matter. This whole thing, I'm just going to repolish this whole front end today. I'm relatively happy with how this looks. There's kind of just like a uniform haze going on here, and it feels really smooth when you touch it. So I think it'll turn out really well when we polish it. So you can see this side's clear. I haven't touched this side. It's clearer, but you can see there's orange peel in it. So I think you can see that. Yeah, see, it looks like it's a bit textured. Where this is hazy, but it's smooth. So we'll see. Hopefully it makes sense. I use the random orbital polisher, white polishing pad, and Meguiar's polish. Pretty simple. Cool. Just want to show you guys a quick before and after. So this is before polish. You can see it's hazy, but feels smooth. And then after polish, looks pretty decent. How's it look on camera? Yeah, honestly, looks good. Just got done polishing both the headlights. Didn't go too crazy on them. So got that one done and got this one done. Probably hit them with the graphene spray and call it a day after that. Escalated a little bit, ended up polishing the hood and fenders. So after I'm done polishing the rest of that fender, I'm gonna ceramic coat. Yeah, I'm gonna coat the whole car. Whatever. I could use it, honestly. It's not bad. Like it's obviously glossy, but there's a few spots where there's some kind of wash swirls. You can kind of see, like they're not swirls, they're just kind of washing lines. And there is some water spots that I should polish out, but it's a lot of work. Started this at like 6. It's now 11:25. Kind of got out of hand. Ceramic coated the whole car instead. So we're actually on the way to, or I guess us. Yeah, so I'm picking up new fenders for the deal right now. My buddy just sent me a Facebook Marketplace ad, and the guy selling 2 front fenders for $100, so can't go wrong there. My fenders are just beyond repair at this point. There's like Bondo. I feel like some of the paint, I think I showed you earlier, the paint's just cracking off. It must have been repaired before or something. So you know what? Just gonna go grab new ones, get them painted with the front bumper, and then the front end will look good. Actually, the whole car will look good at that point. Package secured. Alright. Finally done cleaning. Got all the wheels ceramic coated. Just got all these things washed. Oh yeah, I didn't even know if I showed you guys. New fenders. Well, new old fenders. Cool thing is though, they're already rolled, which is sick. I just had a pretty bad scare with this thing. I got a new tune revision. I downloaded the revision from the app, uploaded it onto the Flash Pro, got it onto the car. And I noticed, like even audibly, I can tell like the car makes weird noises when a revision's being loaded on. So, I'm kind of used to what the noises it makes are now, and it was making a different noise, and I didn't know what was going on. So, the revision ended up failing, and I tried to start the car, and nothing. Like, no crank, no start, no nothing. But all the power was on, so I knew the battery wasn't dead. The car just wouldn't start. So I was like, oh, maybe it's the new revision, Like, I thought maybe it was the revision I had just loaded onto the car. So I went back and downloaded the previous revision, tried to upload that, same thing. Immediately I thought, well, maybe I tried to start the car before the revision finished uploading and I bricked the ECU. That that's kind of what I thought. So you know, obviously wasn't stoked about that. You know, especially with it's been like 25 days or something since I've uploaded last time, so you know, wasn't hyped about going even longer and like, you know, more delays with uploads and everything. So I remembered that before I downloaded the new revisions, I uploaded the Honda application like on my computer. So I just deleted everything, completely deleted Honda. I re-downloaded everything from Honda's website. I flashed the new tune onto the car and it just started right up. So I don't know what it was. I checked the pins on the connectors for the Honda, like the Flash Pro itself, and I checked to make sure there was nothing in the W204 port. Everything seemed to be alright, so I just tried again and it worked. But that was really scary. So I did, you know, it's always something with these, and I just, you know, I would have hated it after I put all that work into the car this week. Like, it's been sitting for a few days. I've literally just been cleaning and prepping and doing all this stuff, just waiting for another revision. So we got the new revision. It's not for power yet. I was promised, he said he promises the next revision that we're gonna add some power in. And I get it, I'd rather err on the side of caution as well. You know, if there's stuff he wants to check, like it's got different cams and whatever. So, you know, maybe he just wants to be sure. It's really just the videos, you know, it's kind of disappointing. Like, obviously I want to get you guys a pull in this video. So he wants me to do the same thing again. So I'm just gonna record the same logs. I'll get you guys a clip of that and I'll catch up with you in a sec. Headlights came out super clear. Dude, this thing looks pretty good right now. So I was talking to my buddy who's gonna be doing the paint work on the car. We were talking about, don't mind this is all just coating I didn't wipe off. We were talking about doing potentially a full repaint on this thing. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Do we just repaint the front end or repaint the whole thing black? I don't really know. I know I said this video we get some pulls in, but it's just not happening. Sorry. Next video for sure. But I'm gonna try and upload regardless. Like I said, I don't like going without uploading, so hopefully it was just a decent update video for you guys. I know not a whole lot happened, but yeah, next video definitely, well, I'm not gonna say definitely, hopefully next video we'll get some pulls. That's what I've been told, so glad everything's working, and I'll see you guys in the next one.